Did you know you can sell your coins quickly and easily? That's right. Many people keep their coins stored away for decades and often miss the exact moment when a coin is in highest demand and lowest supply, losing the chance to get the best possible price for them. Do you have some coins that you think might be valuable? Then stay with us and subscribe to the channel, because right now, you're going to discover the best places to sell them, whether near you or from the comfort of your own home. First, let's talk about coin shows. No matter where you live, chances are that at least once or twice a year, there are numismatic conventions nearby. These events are the perfect place to bring your coins, especially if they're well organized and classified. By the way, if you'd like to learn how to classify your coins, just comment "Sell my coins" at the end of this video, and we'll know you're interested so we can prepare a video on that topic. At conventions, you have two main options. The first is to show your coins casually outside the main hall, or even carry a printed flyer with your contact information to hand out to potential buyers you meet. The second option is to approach dealers who have rented a table and negotiate with them to sell your coins in exchange for a fair commission. Now, if you prefer to stay at home, the second option is online secondhand marketplaces. Believe it or not, these are some of the most visited spots by collectors, even more than famous auction house websites. Why? Because auction houses usually sell at top market prices, leaving little room for good deals. On these online platforms, you can list your coins for 90 to 95% of their market value, which is great. You can sell everything at once to an interested buyer. Treasure hunters check these sites daily, hoping to discover coins like yours. Don't miss that opportunity. And finally, perhaps the easiest option of all, social media groups. These communities are full of people specifically waiting for coins like the ones you've been keeping at home. Another advantage is flexibility. You can set a fixed price or negotiate based on the offers you receive. So now that you know the 3 best places where collectors and sellers are most active, what are you waiting for? Start selling your coins today and get the best price for them.